Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to prepare aging analysis using Power Query. In my last video, I prepared billwise breakup using Power Query and we prepared billwise breakup from the daybook. So same file I copied here and it is before you. So watch this video till the end. Now I'll use this billwise breakup query as a reference. For that I'll right click and I'll say use a reference, and here I will select this date column, and in add column I'll use date and age, and I got this difference between today and bill date. So I convert this age into whole number, and now we need only name of the party, then outstanding amount and age. So I'll remove other columns. Now I'll add conditional column. For that I'll use add column, conditional column. My column name, let us keep as remarks, and my command will be like this: if age is less than say 30 days, then my output will be 0 to 30 days. I'll add the column else if age is less than or equal to 60, then my output will be 31 to 60 days. Add clause: if age is less than or equal to 90, my output will be 61 to 90 days. Again I'll add column: if age is less than or equal to 120, my output will be 91 to 120 days. And in my last column I'll say if age is greater than 120, my output will be exceeding 120 days, otherwise I'll write null, and I'll say OK. So my remark is ready. I don't want this age column, so I'll remove. Now I'll use pivot. For that my remark will be my column head. So for that I'll use transform and pivot column. Here in value column I will select outstanding, and in advanced option I will select sum, and I'll say OK. My uh, columnar form is ready. So since first column 0 to 30 is not here in this database, so I'll move this 31 to 60, then 61 to 90, then 91 to 20, and exceeding 120. Now I will select all these columns, and I will replace value. For null value I will replace with 0, and I'll say OK. So my data, uh, this columnar figures are ready. Now I want total of the all the columns. For that I'll use add column, custom column. I will give name as a total, and manually I'll type the column, this formula. So I'll select 31 to 60 days plus 61 to 90 plus 91 to 120 days plus exceeding, and I'll say OK. So my total is ready. I will convert this into decimal format. I will close and load this as a, and I'll select new worksheet so that my aging analysis is ready. I'll go below, and in a table design I will select table row and I will add. So my aging analysis is ready. Guys, I hope you like this video. Kindly watch this video again and again and do the practice. uh, I wish you happy learning. Thank you.